Hello, so in this tutorial I will be setting up the cloud server from where we're going to host CNS's instance on the website. So the first thing you need to do, since we're using AWS, you need to create an AWS account. Once you've done that, I've already got one because A, I've been working on this, and B, I had it from last year when we had to use AWS beforehand. My assignment goes into detail on this. So for the first thing you need to do is go to AWS Cloud and select EC2 from the All Services category under Compute. It's outlined here. Then you need to press Launch Instance to actually launch the instance and create it. You need to give it a name. In this case, I've named it Cox Network Shack Server. And ensure that you've selected that Ubuntu is the right server type, because if you choose any other operating system or Linux distribution, there may be some issues with the validity of commands. And in order to actually access our Ubuntu instance through PuTTY, an associated RSA key is needed. So in this case, I've named it Coq key, and I chose the PPK file for it. It's for use with it will allow us to use PuTTY, which is the program we'll be using to access the instance and make changes to it. And once it's created, we can download it onto our desktop. Once that's complete, it's also important to allow all traffic in while connecting your instance to the website, just in case. Now, this might seem like a security vulnerability, and it is technically. This will just make sure that no connection issues happen, or like packets being blocked, and it doesn't happen under your nose while you're testing. And Let's Encrypt will handle all of the security anyway, so it's not really an issue. Now, to actually interact with the Ubuntu instance, copy the public IPv4 address displayed in the dashboard, as I've shown below here, and then paste it into your PuTTY configuration window. Now, once you've pasted it, make sure the connection type is SSH, and you select port 22. And once you've done that, you can scroll down to connection/SSH/auth/credentials and select the private key you've downloaded beforehand. And then once you've done that, you will be able to access your Ubuntu instance.